Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo. Alright, hey, what's up everybody? Good evening. Something seems to be wrong with my... Oh, there you go. Somebody pressed the wrong button there. Echo or kuliglig. Alingaw-ngaw, sabi nga ni Rene Requestas. Naalala niyo yon yung si Rene Requestas. May character siya noon na ano yata yun. Long siya. Long Ranger and Tonto. Ayun, Long Ranger and Tonto. Di ba? Oh, sumigaw siya doon sa may bundok, sabi niya. Si Chitae siya. Chitae, ganda lalaki. Iba yung bumalik na echo no? Sinungaling, sabi ng echo. Sinungaling, ling. Yeah, oh. Alingaw-ngaw. Naisingit lang kasi umalingaw-ngaw yung unang buga natin Yeah, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Good evening, Tuesday, May 12, 2026. Alam nyo ba, May 12 is International Nurses Day. Ayan, bumanat agad. Kamustahan muna, teka. Sige, balik. Kamusta muna mga tropa ko? Tuesday ngayon, so second day of Bandera Night Jams for the 4-day episode for this week. Every week, 4 episodes tayo. Episode 1, Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Ayan, Monday to Thursday, 7 to 9 p.m. Bandera Night Jams. Okay? Ayan. Yung nagsabing mag-audition sa sa Bandera, Birit Bandera, medyo bilisan nyo ng konti 8 o'clock na. Kung matutuloy kayo, no? Kung hindi man kayo matutuloy, okay lang. Pwede naman bukas, no? Yeah, pwede pa bukas mag-audition. Okay? So, audition na! We are in need of auditionees. May mga ilan na medyo dagdagan pa natin. Para maraming pagpipilian. The more, the merrier. Diba? Sabi nga, the more, the better. Ayan. Okay? So, mas maganda, mas marami, Sabi ni Sama-sama sa Philippines 2000. Kaya natin to. Kilala niyo yun? Si former President FBR, Yeah. Okay, so yeah. Once again, ongoing po Birit Bandera Singing Contest here on Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM Olongapo in celebration of the anniversary. Mag-anniversary na ulit ang Radyo Bandera. Kaya yan, we're doing that every year, Every anniversary. Parang tradisyon na yan ng Radyo Bandera. Merong Birit Bandera Singing Contest. Gusto ko rin ipa-dance contest yung yung jingle namin na maganda na ang sarap sayawin yung eto sa mga hindi pamilyar eto. Yan. Yung aming jingle. Sarap sayawin yan, Danceable, dancey music, rap, R&B. Yeah. Siguro yan ang next na magiging project natin, ipa-dance contest natin yan. Sama ako sa sasayaw, sa sample. Alright, anyways, as I was saying, balik tayo sa ating opening segment. Of course, holidays and observances. Today is International Nurses Day. Observed around the world every May 12. The anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birth each year to mark the contributions that nurses make to society. Kilala niyo si Florence Nightingale? For those who don't know, parang siya yung patron saint ng nurses. Ayan, the lady with the lamp. Kaya di ba yung symbol, insignia ng nursing, yung lady with the lamp, that's her, si Florence Nightingale yun. Okay? She was an English social reformer, statistician, and founder of modern nursing. All right? Nightingale came to prominence while serving as a manager and trainer of nurses during the Crimean War, in which she organized care for wounded soldiers at Constantinople. Okay? She significantly reduced death rates by improving hygiene and living standards. Ayan. Okay, so ayan, a little bit of something for you para sa ating mga tagapakinig na nakikinig. Tagapakinig na nakikinig. All right, so yeah. And moving on, what else? The other holidays and observances that we have for May 12, 2026. May 12 is International Awareness Day for chronic immunological and neurological diseases. International Day of Plant Health. International Nurses Day, yun na nga. Kung ang May 12 ay International Nurses Day, pwede na rin bang, is it safe to say, the Day of the Filipinos. That's what we're known for everywhere. Being nurses, the nurses. Limerick Day, International Mother's Day, ang May 12, kasi May 10 sa atin sa Pilipinas, pero International Mother's Day is May 12. Nutty Fudge Day, Sapphire Segula, Native American Rights Day, and Odometer Day. Ayan. Odometer is a very important invention or creation. It tells you the speed you're going sa sasakyan nyo. Importante yan, di ba? Importanteng alam mo yan eh. Your odo kung tawagin. Ilang odo na? Gano'n na kalayo ang tinakbo. Gano'n, no? Alright, so there you have it. Just some of today's holidays and observances. And for those who are celebrating their birthdays today, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. This segment being brought to you by Angel's Pizza, Olongapo, okay? Featuring the buy one, take one pizza forever. Forever! Buti pa ang Angel's Pizza, Olongapo, buy one, take one, mayroong forever. Kayo, wala. Buy one, take one forever with your APC card. Choice of 2 pizzas for big family and family size. Dalawang size yon. Pag sinabing big family, mas malaki sa family. Big family. So yung family size, yun yung malaki. Big family, pinakamalaki. Yan. So buy one, take one yan, ha? Pag meron kang Angel's Privilege card. Okay? Same size. Sa Playboard, bahala ka na kung ano yung gusto mong pangalawa. No? How awesome is that offer, huh? Buy one, take one forever with your APC card at Angel's Pizza. Kaya kung wala ka pang APC card, avail now. Punta ka na sa Angel's Pizza. Located at number 395 Rizal Avenue, West Tapinac, Olongapo City. You may call or text them up 0927-117-9020. Visit their Facebook page to see more about their their menu. Okay? Open Monday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 12 midnight hanggang midnight, baby. And here are the famous people, celebrities, and the likes celebrating their birthdays today. First up, we have in the Philippines, Mr. Dennis Trillo. May 12, 1981. Happy birthday kay Kuya Dennis Trillo. Magaling na actor. Awarded yan, ano? Multi-awarded actor, no? May mga naging awards siya for his acting jobs. A couple of times. Already. Nancy Binay, May 12, 1973. Si Ate Nancy Binay, ano ba? Senator ba siya? Or, I don't know. What's her position now? Nagbalik yata sa Makati, no? Yeah, okay. Or mayor? I don't know. This is proof na hindi ako mahilig sa politika. Cherry Hill, actress Cherry Hill, May 12, 1963. Si Bistek, aka Herbert Bautista, May 12, 1968. And si Mr. Artista ulit, Filipino actor Marky Shello, May 12, 1988. Daniel Fernando, actor turned politician, May 12, 1962. Who still remembers his run-in with the Subic Bay Metropolitan authorities. authorities. Okay, next up we have Bing Rames. Happy birthday to Bing Rames. Movie actor Bing Rames. Birth anniversary na lang for him, He passed away already. Alright. And my teacher, the person who I consider my life teacher, George Carlin, was born May 12, 1937. He passed away in 2008. He had I'm very much influenced by him, by his philosophy, by his teachings, by the words he said. Yeah, I'm very much, influenced by George Carlin. I admit, of course. Idol, Lodi. Gabriel Byrne, movie actor Gabriel Byrne, turned 76 today. Stephen Baldwin, one of the Baldwin brother of actors. Of course, kapatid ni Alec Baldwin, William Baldwin. Marami silang Baldwin, They're bald and then they win. Katharine Hepburn was born May 12, 1907. Passed away in 2003. Okay, muntik na mag 100, no? But yeah, she passed away 2003. Next up, we have movie actress Malin Akerman. She was Silk Spectre in Watchmen. and played the lead in the TV comedy Trophy Wife. She was born May 12, 1978 in Stockholm, Sweden. Turns 48 today. Mr. Jason Biggs. You guys remember the American Pie series of movies? Yes, Mr. Jason Biggs. Turns 48 today. Movie actor Jason Biggs. And Florence Nightingale, as I was saying kanina, no? She was born 1820, May 12. Next up, TV actress Emily Van Camp. Emily Van Camp was in the TV series Everwood, the TV series Revenge, and she also appeared in Captain America, The Winter Soldier. Turns 40 today, April 12, 1986. Such a beautiful woman, Emily Van Camp. Her beauty is very captivating, you know. Next up, we have Emilio Estevez. Movie actor Emilio Estevez. He was in the movie Young Guns. You guys remember Young Guns? Young Guns. Yeah, okay. He was there. He was born May 12, 1962. He was also part of the Breakfast Club. All right. And who else do we gotta greet? Aside from Emilio Estevez, also happy birthday to Rami Malek. He played the role of Freddie Mercury. Kailan lang, no? You guys remember that Queen bioflick? Yeah, si Rami Malek. He played the role of Freddie Mercury. And lastly, skateboarder, superstar of skateboard, Tony Hawk. Turns 58 today. All right, so there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. May 12, birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating their birthdays today. You text me up, huh? 0910-690-9501. Ayan. Call or text me. Pwede ring mag-message on the live video that's posted right now on the official Facebook page sa ating Radyo Bandera 107.1 Facebook Facebook page. All right. So yeah, and right about now we will be back with more. We need to play the top of the hour break. Okay, we'll be back. Please stick around.
Radyo Bandera, makinig tayo.